In this walkthrough, I will show you how to export an evidence PDF. Evidence packets are useful when an operator needs to review a rental, answer a support question, respond to a charge review, or prepare documentation for a dispute. Open evidence. The packet register shows available packets, status, scope, trip connection, and export options. Choose the packet connected to the rental. The export page organizes trip details, renter information, documents, signatures, deposit events, inspections, workflow events, and supporting records. Use the PDF export when the operator needs a stable copy that can be reviewed outside the dashboard. The packet should be shared carefully because it can contain private renter and rental information. The purpose is not decoration. The purpose is to give the operator a clean, chronological record when memory and messages are not enough. That is evidence export. Open the packet, review the timeline, generate the PDF, and keep the rental proof together.